Let's bring in our next guest analyst, Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for coming on right before a holiday. I know you're going to be pretty busy. What do you have on your chest here? Anything interesting when you look at these commodity markets?
Well, corn continues to be the leader, obviously, pretty much across the board. Looking at front month May futures, making new contract highs and getting then a stone's throw that psychologically significant $8 handle ahead of next week's option expiration. Further down the timeline, you've got December futures making new contract highs as well today. And what you and I talked about earlier in the week on Monday was that December 23 crop, which just continues to be on fire. We're on pace today. If we can close positive, I believe it'll be the 21st consecutive session of up days. So that's going into 5 consecutive weeks of nothing but up days there. So a lot of energy building in this corn market. Hopefully soybeans can get the letter and break out above the top end of this range sometime soon.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a quiet one, and we've seen some decent rallies. I agree with you that corn has been a leader, and also on a day where we haven't had a ton of economic news. We did have retail sales come out, but with yesterday and the day before's inflation numbers, it just kind of seems like the market, if it's not going to if we don't give it a good reason to go lower, it's not going to happen today. You know what I mean?
That is absolutely right, especially ahead of a long weekend. Not a lot of people want to be short commodities ahead of a long weekend, so you're seeing a bid come into a lot of these markets. You even look at the outside markets. Crude oil, we've got option expiration there today as well. Crude oil is up about $1.73, trading at about 106, so that's putting a little bit of an extra tailwind in the corn market ahead of the long weekend. It'll be interesting to see how we open up next week as we continue to kind of shift into the weather here in the States being a bigger factor going forward.
100% agree with you.